Hey guys, Larry here with Creaky Chair Models. That sound you hear is a beautiful G-gauge locomotive, a mogul. It's running around the layout of Dr. Richard Delaney. We took today, even though it's 85 plus degrees out, and decided we were going to get the outside G-gauge layout running. So far, everything seems to be doing pretty good. We had a couple little minor track issues, that easy for me to say, minor track issues that we had to work on. We had to clean the rail, and you can see we have temporary power hooked up. But now we have a good starting point here in the very near future to have this thing being fully operational with switches running, etc. So here we are. And just to prove that anybody will do something for trains, there's Rick up there working on a turnout full of rocks. Have a good day.